Welcome to Fiona's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add the lubricant oil for the EPS cutting line. First of all, we should prepare a good quality grease gun and choose number 0 lithium grease as the lubricant. The choice of lubricant grade is related to the customer's local region environment. In general, we suggest the lithium grade lubricant grade should not be higher than number 1 because the grade of number 1 lithium grease is little bit thick. The higher the grade, the more viscous the lithium grade is. Number 0 lithium grease belongs to the semi-filled state. The first fish cutting vibration mechanism uses the MSA type slider. The ball inside of the slider is 4 mm and the oil channel is a ring operation inside. The diameter of the steel bar is too small and the corresponding inner chamber of the bearing is also small, so the ordinary grease cannot achieve the lubrication effected. Now we will ask our engineer to demonstrate how to use the grease gun and add the lubrication to the bearing of the first fish cutting section for EPS cutting line. How to add the lubricant to bearing? We will use the grease gun to point to the oil nozzle. With this kind of oil nozzle is okay. With that kind of the oil-proof tube is also okay. See the sign of the lubrication oil oozing out of the bearing above. It means that refueling is completed. Do not add too much lubrication oil at once. Adding too much oil will make the sealing bulge. When the sealing bulge will hurt the bearing. How long to add the lubrication oil to bearing? According to the actual EPS block cutting capacity of customer's site to decide. General 7 days to 15 days to add once. How to add the lubricant to slider? Slider also have a special refueling nozzle. Also take the grease gun to the refueling nozzle to add the lubricant oil. This structure may be a little bit twisted. Refueling will be a little bit difficult, but after gain more skill, also does not affect the refueling. In the processing of add lubrication oil, pay attention to observation. When the seal will have lubrication oil oozing out, then you can stop. How long to add the lubrication oil to slider? Because this slider is ring-shaped, this kind of arrangement is not like ordinary bearing that more easy to fill with lubricant. So the refueling cycle is 1 week once. This is generally according to the actual situation of the EPS cutting production capacity. We suggest to add the lubrication 7 days up to 15 days once. This is our bottom line. Because the horizontal cutting frame is working all the time, the running frequency is relatively high, so the lubricant is very important to maintain. Otherwise, it will lead to bearing wear and tear. Okay, this is pretty much everything for this tutorial. For more information about the EPS cutting line, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. I'll see you next video.